Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check or download your Monzo bank statement. For that, first of all, open your Monzo application and then log in into your account. Then on the home page, you need to simply tap on the manage option, and in the manage option you will see bank statement option. So once you tap on bank statement, you will see the filter of choosing the date range. So you need to choose the date range, and you would like to choose the format of the statement as well. You can choose among PDF, CSV and QIF. For mortgage applications, all of the bank statements are original documents, so shouldn't need to get them stamped or signed for your mortgage or your visa application. So you need to simply select that particular date range, and you will be able to see the download option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So tap on download and you will be able to save your Monzo bank statement in your mobile device. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.